Right, my name's Mark LePage and I'm the sprayer specialist for KUHN Australia. Today we're just going to go and talk over some of the key features of the Oceana 7700 litre broadacre sprayer. Some of the key features of this sprayer, we'll start with the wheel track. So 5.7 metres from the tip of the drawbar to the centre of the axle. Keeps the machine compact, great for headland turns, hilly conditions and even in row crop applications. We're able to achieve this short wheel track by putting the 550 litre rinse tank directly underneath the main tank but over the axle. So 550 litres, when that's full, we've got the best part of half a tonne sitting over the back axle, keeping the machine on the ground, giving us good stability, the ability to go over rough terrain, keeping the boom riding smooth. So that is a key feature of our KUHN sprayers. Also the ease of use of the operator station. This machine's fitted standard with what we call ManuSet operator station, which allows two steering wheels to easily divert the liquid to whichever direction for filling, for spraying or for rinsing. Option of dial set, which gives us the ability to auto fill and auto stop. It gives us the ability to tank rinse from inside the cabin, and it also allows a digital tank display on the REB3 KUHN controller. The next step up is what we call E-set, which does everything for you. You simply press a button and let the sprayer totally rinse and fill itself. Chemical induction hopper is able to be cleaned, 35 litres. The chemical induction hopper is able to be cleaned via the rinse tank, allowing critical clean water to clean all the vital components of the sprayer. The simple operation of the ManuSet or the dial set or the E-set allows easy direction of flow to clean the boom, to clean the chemical induction hopper or the rinse tank. And for OHS and to save on chemical wastage, we can also pressure out back into a 1,000 litre shuttle or a shuttle to save chemical and save money. Easy to use, easy to navigate around. Also key is our suspension. Hydraulic suspension on the front drawbar, and we also have hydraulic suspension on the back axle. Combine that with our accumulators on our wing tilt, on our parallelogram and our three-dimensional equilibra suspension. In road transport and in working mode, we have suspension all round. The key with transport suspension is the boom cradle, which pivots with the ruts and the bumps in the road. The side covers are an optional extra, but they fully enclose all of the key and the critical parts of the sprayer and makes the sprayer look as good as it does as well. The key to the Oceana 7700, and in fact all of our sprayer range, is the equilibra suspension on our booms. Going from 18 metres up to 48 metres, equilibra suspension gives us three-dimensional suspension, but more importantly, and the key feature of this suspension system, is the anti-yaw system. All integral and inbuilt into the current hydraulic ram system on the folding. The equilibra suspension allows us to turn headland turns without the boom hitting the front of the tractor or going too far towards the front of the tractor. So nice and simple, a simple design and very, very effective, and it adds to the whole usability of the sprayer. Stainless steel spray lines on all of our sprayers, 400 litres and above, are all stainless, along with quadrant nozzle holders, ceramic tipped air inducted and flat fan nozzles. And another key to the usability of the sprayer is we don't have any nozzle filters in our nozzle bodies. We just simply run section filters. So this is a 7-section boom. This will have 7 boom section filters, which are easy to change. Wing tilt is an optional, but on booms like this, we bring them in standard. But what is standard ex-factory is our hydraulic slant control, which allows full height, allows wing tilt and hydraulic slanting of the boom. On equilibra suspension, we're also able to lock the boom, which on our smaller sprayers and our smaller booms allow us into certain applications a variety of boom options, allowing booms to stay in the cradle while one side's out spraying, half fold, one side in, one side out, that sort of thing. The other key feature on all of our KUHN booms is the ability to bifold on the run. So these booms, this is a 36 metre, back down to 18, we can simply do that from the control box inside the cab. Another key feature, and again the usability for our sprayers, is the adjustable axle. Starting on the smaller range from 1.5 to 2.25 metres, there's not too many applications where we can't get our axle and tyre equipment to suit our clients' needs. A key feature on some of our booms is the ability to go to electronic circulation, which is instantaneous on-off control of our spray boom. Two options, standard with what we call CCE. As soon as you go to this style of nozzle control, it eliminates the need for boom sections, and in theory, if you decide to go section control to operate through your GPS, you get the ability to have individual nozzle section control. So on a 36 metre boom with 72 nozzles, you could have easily up to 38, 42, 56, 72 nozzle sections if you choose to. So multi-spray duo is the next option up. What multi-spray duo allows us to do, it allows us to run two nozzles without having to continually get out of the tractor and swap nozzles from yellows to blues or blues to reds, whatever that might be. With multi-spray duo, it's simply, you select two nozzles within your spraying range and your spray application rate. So it might be, in this case, a yellow and a blue. Your yellow, say at 100 litres a hectare, will run until you drive faster at say 10 Ks, it's working fine. Then you drive to 15 Ks, the yellow nozzle may turn off, but the blue one will turn on because you've increased your speed. Once you get to a speed that requires more literage and more flow, both nozzles will turn on, and then the cycle continues as you slow back down. Yellow will turn off, blue will stay on, and as you slow right down, the blue will turn off and the yellow will stay on. KUHN is also pleased to announce that Auto Spray, the new KUHN nozzle technology, which utilises a solenoid to control and implement droplet sizes, is now available. So from a precision point of view, Auto Spray is certainly worth an inquiry, and it's been kicking goals over in Europe, and we expect that trend to continue here. Again, allowing individual nozzle section control with optimum nozzle droplet size and control over the nozzles over a wider range of nozzles and a wider range of speeds.